Good morning. Welcome back to today's class of Value Education, Lesson 5. Today we will be studying about a new topic, be selfless. Who is a selfless person? We can say when you are being selfless, you are thinking of other people before yourself. If you are selfless, you think less about yourself and more about others. You can also say that you are generous and more kind. Being selfless is similar to being a kind person. Another word for giving to others without looking for your own personal gain. That is the meaning of a selfless person. So let's begin the reading of the lesson. Be selfless. Selfless is a person who thinks more about the needs, happiness, etc. of other people more than of his or her own. In our recent past, Mother Teresa has been a name synonymous with selfless service. Mother Teresa was a great soul whose selfless service among homeless and poor people is a story of her courage and sacrifice. Her heart was full of compassion for the needy person. She was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and recognized as a miracle worker. We all are well versed with another name, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji worked for the upliftment of masses selflessly. Being preparing the country to get complete independence during our struggle for freedom, Mahatma Gandhi led the common people on the path of truth, ahimsa, and non-violence. Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1910. She was born in a little town called Skopje, which is in the modern day Macedonia. There is a famous quote of her, "Peace begins with a smile." In 1979, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize and became a symbol of charitable, selfless work. Mother Teresa died at age 87 on September 5, 1997. She was a great soul who always helped selflessly to poor and homeless children. She always worked for the upliftment of the poor people. Now here you will find out the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, as he is called, worked for life selflessly and without any attachment to any political gain. He guided the major political parties. We all know his contribution towards independence of the India, and he worked selflessly in that. Mother Teresa, and without any political gain, Mother Teresa and Mahatma Gandhi are both the symbol of peace and selfless service. Now let's go through the story of Bholu, who proved to be a selfless person. Before going to the depth story about Bholu, let's see who was Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, officially honored in India as the father of the nation or Bapuji. Or 2nd October is commemorated in India as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. Children, Gandhiji believed that at the core of every religion was truth, satya, non-violence, ahimsa are the two golden rules to live the life. Now children, let's learn the story of Bholu, who is of your age and same class. Bholu, a class 5 student, lived at a distance of 10 minutes on foot from his school. One day he was on his way to school. He was about to cross the road. He waited first for the road to clear. He was waiting for the road to get clear. At that time, he found a motorcyclist passed with high speed. All of a sudden, a few meters away from Bholu, the motorcycle slipped on the sideway. The motorcyclist fell down on the road and his bike aside. He screamed for help. Now he found a motorcyclist who fell down on the road and he was injured. Now the motorcyclist was screaming for the help. Now if you were on the place of Bholu, what you have done? You would have helped him out or you have left him like that. Let's see what Bholu has done. Bholu ran towards the spot of accident. Accident is an unfortunate incident that happens unexpectedly and without any intention, typically result in damage or injury of the person. So the motorcyclist met with the accident. He put his school bag aside. Who put his school bag aside? Bholu, and tried to help the motorcyclist. The one who met with the accident, Bholu went there to the spot and helped him out. The motorcyclist's head was heavily bleeding. The injury was a lot. He was suffering through pain and his head was heavily bleeding. Bholu put out his handkerchief and covered the wound which was bleeding. He immediately thought of taking out a handkerchief from his pocket and he covered the wound of the sufferer. The head was needed to be tied with a bigger cloth because the handkerchief was very small. So some big piece of cloth has to be there so that it could be tied well. But the handkerchief was so small, as we can see. Handkerchief is very small and the injury is big. So it requires a bigger piece of cloth. With no second thought, he took off his shirt and tied the head to stop bleeding. Who took off his shirt? Bholu. Without thinking that I have to go to school or my shirt will get dirty, he immediately took off his shirt and he was giving the first aid to the motorcyclist. He tied his head with the help of the shirt. Then he waited for some other vehicle which might be passing through. Now the bleeding doesn't stop. So he was looking for the Bholu. He was a minor child. He cannot even drive the motorcycle. So he was waiting for some elder to come so that he can ask for the help. He caught sight of a car. He signaled the car to stop for help. Then he immediately saw a car and he tried to stop it. And finally it stopped. Bholu described the matter to the car driver. He told the whole incident to the car driver. He immediately agreed to help Bholu to reach a nearby hospital with the sufferer. And the car driver was also a kind person who immediately agreed to help Bholu and the motorcyclist. He took them to the nearby hospital. Children, in this picture you can clearly see Bholu is asking for the help to the car driver and motorcyclist who is injured. The hospital was at a 20 minutes distance. Hospital authorities immediately admitted the sufferer and informed police for their formalities. As the motorcyclist's head had heavily bled. Doctors told Bholu that they need to operate the motorcyclist, for which they require blood. You have seen in the previous picture that his injury was a lot and he bled. It never stopped bleeding over there. So enough blood was already passed through his body. Now he required more blood before the operation. Bholu asked the car driver to donate blood as the doctor would not allow Bholu himself because of his being underage. Bholu was a small child. Doctor didn't allow Bholu to donate the blood, so Bholu requested car driver to donate the blood. The car driver donated his blood happily. I already introduced you all through the name of car driver. He was a kind person, so again he showed his kindness and being selfless. He showed the selfless service towards the motorcyclist, and he was ready to donate his blood very happily to him. At the meantime, the relatives of the sufferer reached the hospital. In the meantime, the relatives of the sufferer reached the hospital. They thanked Bholu as well as car driver for the depth of their heart and offered some money reward. But they both refused, saying it's our duty. Thus, Bholu as well as the car driver did a selfless service of the mankind. Without thinking of themselves, they were ready to help out the motorcyclist who was stranger to both of them. Why? Because for them the humanity stands first. In the meantime, we have seen in the story their relatives reached. Who's the sufferer? The one who met with the accident. Reached to the hospital and they thanked Bholu. Why to Bholu? Because he saved his life, and also to the car driver because he took him to the hospital and he donated his blood to sufferer. They were very touched by their help, so relatives offered both of them, Bholu and the car driver, some money reward, but at last they refused it by saying that they have not done this for the profit. They have done this because it's their duty. If they have seen somebody suffering, irrespective of going to school and the car driver going to somewhere to the spot where he want to go, they all immediately stop to help him out. Thus, Bholu as well as the car driver did a selfless service, and selfless service is always superior to any other work. It is a service of the mankind. So what is the moral here? Do intend to. Intend means aim. Decide to intend to help the needy. The moral of the story, children, we have got here is help everyone who is in need without thinking, without giving a second chance of thought. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Name the two foremost personalities in the field of selfless service. In this story, we have learned about Mother Teresa and Mahatma Gandhi ji. What happened when Bholu was about to cross the road? He saw a motorcyclist fell down on the road and he was heavily injured. How did Bholu give first aid to the motorcyclist? Bholu took off his shirt to tie the head of the motorcyclist. How did Bholu manage to reach hospital with the injured motorcyclist? He took help of a car driver to reach the hospital. Why could Bholu not donate blood? Bholu did not donate the blood because he was underage. Fill in the blanks. There are few words clues given in the box: sacrifice, shirt, courage, car driver and distance. Now you have to fill it in the suitable sentence. First, Mother Teresa's story is full of sacrifice and courage. Second, Gandhiji worked for the upliftment of masses selflessly. Children, here selflessly is not there, but you have to fill it on the basis of your understanding of the lesson. Third, Bholu tied his shirt to the wound to stop bleeding. Fourth, the hospital was at 20-minute distance. Fifth, the car driver donated blood. Now, true or false? Mahatma Gandhi was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. No, the reason is because the correct answer would be Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. One day Bholu saw a motorcycle hit by a car. No, it was not hit by a car. The motorcyclist, he was slipped by himself. Third, the motorcyclist became unconscious after falling from the motorcycle as his head was heavily bleeding. Yes, true. Four, doctors asked Bholu to donate blood because an urgent operation was to be done. No, doctors were aware that Bholu is underage, so they didn't ask him. False. 5. Bholu could donate blood but did not. No, he cannot donate the blood because he was underage. So, who helped him out? The car driver. So, children, what is the moral lesson we have learned? Help the needy and practice being selfless, being kind to others. Thank you, children. I hope you will keep this moral lesson in your mind and in your heart as well.